Welcome to the online session of Power Plant Engineering. My name is Vishal Acharya. Today we will discuss about the estimation of height of chimney. Second topic is the condition for maximum discharge through a chimney, and last topic is draft at the maximum discharge. This topic is related to our natural draft system. First is the estimation of height of the chimney. Here absolute temperature corresponding to atmospheric condition or standard condition, ATP condition is T0, and TA is the absolute temperature corresponding to atmospheric air in Kelvin. TA Tg is equal to absolute temperature corresponding to fuel gases inside the chimney in the Kelvin. S is equal to height of the chimney. Ma is equal to mass of the air supplied to the boiler. Here Ma is required for the fuel burning, so that is kg per kg of the fuel supplied. Here mg is equal to mass of fuel gases. Here mass of fuel gases means the Ma plus Mf. Mf is equal to mass of the fuel supplied. Here mass of the fuel supply, we assume that here fuel is the 1 kg, so we get the mg value is the Ma plus 1. Our next condition for the pressure difference, in the last lecture we will show that the pressure difference is equal to rho A minus rho G into H. Here we find that the atmospheric condition for the density and hot gas condition for density of rho G. First, now volume of the air at the NTP is given by V0 is equal to MAR by T0 divided by P0. Here, MA is equal to mass of the air, R is equal to air constant value is 287, T0 is equal to absolute temperature means the 273 Kelvin, P0 is equal to absolute pressure. This value is 1.10325 cross 10 raised to 5 means our NTP volume is 0.77326 MA. We find that volume of the air at the atmospheric condition VA is equal to MA cross R cross TA divided by P0. Here put the value of P0 is equal to MA by R T0 by V0 from here, so that we get that VA is equal to V0 cross TA by T0. Here V0 value is the 0.0733 cross MA. Put this value in this equation, we get the volume of the air at the atmospheric condition is 0.7733 cross Ma cross Ta by 273. For the density is mass upon the volume. Here mass upon mass of the air is equal to Ma, and volume is equal to 0.733 cross Ma cross Ta by 273. So we get the density of the air is equal to 353 divided by Ta. Second phenomena is the density of the gas. For the density of the gas, we find the volume. Volume is equal to 0.7733 cross Ma cross Tg by 273. Here mass of the fuel is neglecting, so we get the density is mass upon volume. Here mass of the gas is equal to Ma plus 1, and volume is the 0.7733 cross Ma cross Tg by 273. So we get the density of the gas here Ma plus 1 divided by Ma cross 353 divided by Tg. Here we get the density of air and density of gas. So put this value in this equation, we find that pressure difference. Here pressure difference is 353 divided by Ta minus Ma plus 1 3 divided by Ma cross 353 divided by Tg into G into H. This is also called the static rod. We common out the 353, so we write that 1 by Ta minus Ma plus 1 by Ma cross 1 by Tg. This condition is for the static rod for natural draft system. For the in the term is the press expressed in the form of the column of the water. We write that delta P is equal to rho W G into HW. Here rho W is density of water 1000, HW is the height of the water in the column. So we find that height of the water column HW, here delta P divided by rho W into G, here density is 1000, so we get the delta P by G is mm of water column. We find that the static rod value is the 1 by Ta minus Ma plus 1 divided by Ma cross 1 by Tg 353 Gh. So we get the value of Hw. Put this value in this equation. We get 1 by Ta minus Ma plus 1 divided by Ma cross 1 by Tg into 353 H in the terms of the mm of water column. So here draft in the terms of mm of water column. We also find that in meter of hot gases column. For meter of the hot gases column H1, we write that delta G is the density of the gas. Here static dot already we learn 1 by Ta minus Ma plus 1 by Ma cross 1 by Tg 353 G into H. So we get that static dot system Ma plus 1 divided by Ma cross 353 by Tg, this value of the density of the gas, and G into H1. Our objective is to find out the height of the gas column. So we put the delta P value in this equation. We get 1 by Ta minus Ma plus 1 divided by Ma cross 1 by Tg into 353 Gs is equal to Ma plus 1 cross Ma cross 353 by Tg cross Gs1. So we find that H1 value is the, from mathematical step, H1 value is the H into Ma plus 1 cross Tg by Ta minus 1. Here M is meter of the fuel gas is column. Condition for the maximum discharge through the chimney. Here maximum discharge means the mass flow rate, rho, area and velocity. Here we know that mass of the gas flowing through the chimney is rho g into A cross C. Here velocity of the gas we find that in the terms of height 2g h1 minus h. Here h dash is very negligible value, we neglect them. And density of fuel gas is find that rho g is equal to P by RTG. So that our answer here h dash is equal to 0, neglecting g. So we get the mg is equal to A into 2gh1 by P by RTG. So that here we put the h1 value in this equation. We get that mg is equal to A into under root 2gh Ma plus 1 Tg by Ta minus 1 into P by RTG. For the maximum condition, we show that for any maximum condition we have a differentiate with the variable term, we get the maximum condition for any equation. Here for the maximum mass flow rate we differentiate with the hot gas temperature, we get the maximum condition, because here atmospheric temperatures, areas, densities R and H and Ma is the constant variable. Only the varying variable is the temperature of the hot gas. So we differentiate with the hot gas in this equation. First is 0, so that here area is constant, so differentiate is 0. We get the area is here 0. Same for the P by R is 0 for the constant term. So we get the delta del by del Tg is 2 1 by Tg under root Ma plus 1 into Tg by Ta minus 1 in the under root form. So we get that from the differentiate this equation. Here first term is constant and second term differentiate here, and second step this term is constant and second term differentiate here. So we get that any differentiate equation x to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. Same here. Here 1 by Tg means the differentiate with the temperature of hot gas is minus 1 by Tg square. Same here, this equation differentiate, we answer that 1 by 2 cross Ma plus Ma1 into Tg by Ta minus 1 raised to minus 1 by 2 cross 1 by Ta cross Ma into Ma plus 1. From the mathematical step, we get the Ma upon Ma plus 1 cross 1 upon 2 into Ta into Tg is equal to Ma into Ma plus 1 cross Tg by Ta minus 1 cross 1 by Td square. Here this term is multiply here and this term is the multiply here. So we get that this equation from this. Here two side Tg cancel out and multiply by Tg in this bracket. So we get that Ma upon Ma plus 1 cross 1 by 2 Ta is equal to Ma upon Ma plus 1 into 1 by Ta minus 1 by Tg. So that here we objective of Tg by Ta ratio. So we get that one terms left hand side terms in the form of the temperature of atmospheric air and right hand side term is temperature of the gas term. So we get the answer is Tg by Ta is equal to 2 into Ma plus 1 divided by Ma. This condition for the maximum discharge condition for natural draft system. Draft at the maximum discharge same as previously. Here hot gas column H into Ma plus 1 cross Tg by Ta minus 1. In this value Tg by Ta is equal to 2 Ma plus 1 for the maximum discharge condition. We put this value in this equation. We get that H1 is equal to Ma cancel here. Ma plus 1 is cancel here. So that H1 maximum is equal to H meter of fuel gas column. Same for the water. 1 by Ta minus Ma plus 1 cross 1 by Tg 353 H. Here Tg value is equal to 2 into Ma plus 1 by M cross Ta. We get this value in this equation 353 H into 1 by Ta minus here 1 by 2 Ta. So we get that answer in the terms of the of column of water is 176.5 H upon Ta. Thank you.